Hello friends, welcome in my YouTube channel. This video is on establishment rules and a collection of some important questions, 35 important questions, and these all questions came in the current examination. So not only question is important but the answer is also updated because all the questions came in 2021 or 20 examination, and this is set number 12 from my side for all kind of railway departmental exam. So going to start. So today first question, the apex management organization of the railway is dash. The apex management organization of the railway is railway board. Who is the apex management? Railway board. As per recent changes, the railway board is headed by dash. Railway board is headed by chairman cum CEO. Chairman cum CEO. Apart from chairman cum CEO, the board has now dash members after recent change. So here the answer will be 4. The railway board has 4 members apart from chairman cum CEO, that is member TRS, member infrastructure, members O and BD, and members finance. So total 4 only. Which one of the following is not a part of railway board? Members TRS means traction rolling stock, members infrastructure, members operation and business development, members finance, and members staff. So here member staff is now not available. So member staff will be the answer. The first train in the world was run between dash and dash in England in 1825. That is Stockton and Darlington. In between Stockton and Darlington. Indian Railways fastest operating train is the Dash Express from Delhi to Jhansi, which runs at a speed of 160 km per hour. That is Gatiman Express runs between Delhi to Jhansi. Where is the headquarter of Northern Railway? Headquarter of Northern Railway is at New Delhi. PCMM means dash. PCMM means Principal Chief Material Management. Principal Chief Material Manager. Rule 3 of Service Conduct Rule is related to dash. Rule 3 of Service Conduct Rule is related to general conditions, that is devotion to duty, integrity, etc. Devotion to duty, integrity, etc. Rule 3. As per HOER, waiting room attendant of stations comes under which classification? As per HOER, waiting room attendant of stations comes under essentially intermittent, EI. There are 4 classifications in which he comes under EI, essential intermittent. School passes are granted according to academic year. School passes are granted according to academic year. What is official language of Arunachal Pradesh? The official language of Arunachal Pradesh is English. There are dash levels of pay as per 7th CPC. There are dash levels of pay as per 7th CPC, that is total 18 levels, 18. Total 18 levels is there. The minimum basic pay as per 7th CPC pay matrix is dash. The minimum basic pay as per 7th CPC pay matrix is rupees 18,000. Rupees 18,000. IRITM means dash. IRITM means Indian Railways Institute of Transport Management. Indian Railway Institute of Transport Management. Arrange these designations from senior to junior. Options is APO, SPO, CPO and Deputy CPO. So who is the senior most? Here senior most is CPO. So first C will come and the second is deputy CPO. Below CPO there is a deputy CPO. So second will be deputy CPO, then SPO, and the last one is APO. So from senior to junior, this is the currency of the panel issued by RRB for group C can be extended beyond the normal currency with the approval of DAS. The currency of panel issued by RRB for group C can be extended beyond the normal, that is who can extend? GM can extend. File system is an arrangement of papers by subjects. File system is an arrangement of papers by subject. In Excel sheet, vertical columns are identified by dash. In Excel sheet, vertical columns are identified by letters. A dash pass may be issued to a railway servant for performing a rail journey from the place of residence to the place of his work. That is residential card pass, RC pass. The classification of cities for the purpose of HRA are divided into dash. The classification of cities for the purpose of HRAs are divided into 3. Employees joining training institutions as a faculty members are entitled to dash allowances. He is entitled to teaching allowances. Teaching allowance, apart from payment, he is getting one teaching allowance also. NPA stands for dash. Actually, NPA is given to the doctors. So NPA means non-practicing allowance. Please note, these are all questions came in 2020 and 2021 examination in various zones. What is the meaning of CAO? CAO means Chief Administrative Officers. If a permanent railway employee is selected on the basis of his application for posts in other central government department or offices, his lien may be retained in the parent department for a period of dash month. This is 24 months. Within 24 months he may come back. So this is the period. SBF means dash. SBF means Staff Benefit Fund. Staff Benefit Fund. ICF means Integral Coach Factory. Integral Coach Factory situated in Chennai, Perambur. Friends, if any mistake is there, you kindly send it through your comment. If it is actual mistake, I will rectify it through my comment only. In video editing is not possible. If the distance between the old headquarter and new headquarter is more than 2000 km and the travel is permitted by air, the joining time admissible is 12 days. 12 days. More than 2000 km, but travel is permitted by air. In such case, 12 days. If the distance between the old headquarter and the new headquarter is more than 2000 km, the joining time normally admissible is 15 days. Please note, if air travel permitted, 12 days. If air travel not permitted, 15 days. If the distance between the old headquarter and the new headquarter is more than 1000 km, how much previously it was more than 2000, now it is 1000 km. The joining time admissible is dash days. In such case, 12 days joining time given. The staff in the immediate lower grade with a minimum of dash service in that grade only will be eligible for promotion. Suppose one person is holding one post. If he completed minimum 2 years service, then only he is eligible for promotion. So this is a ceiling. The ceiling of dash percent reservation for SC/ST on total number of vacancies will apply only on vacancies that arise in the current year, that is 50%, 50%. The ceiling of 50% reservation. Where is Rail Wheel Factory located? Rail Wheel Factory, RWF, is located at Bangalore. RWF, Rail Wheel Factory, is located at Bangalore. GST means dash. GST means goods and service tax. Goods and service tax. Friends, if any mistake is there, you please send it through the comment. I will rectify it through my comment. Thanks for watching. If my video is good, kindly subscribe my channel, share with your friends, and also like. Switch on the notification button so that you can get immediate notification if I am loading any new videos.